Kalinovski. I'm an independent scholar, and I'm going to be talking this morning about using Vocaloid technology as an e-literature platform and a project that I've done in that regard. So, is anybody in the audience familiar with Hatsune Miku? Couple people. Okay. So, basically, Hatsune Miku is a virtual pop idol who doesn't exist as a real embodied human being, but rather as more of a virtual concept that's instantiated through different media representations. She's also a global concert performer who just this past month wrapped up a 10-city tour of the US, Canada, and Mexico. She's also a corporate image character who has been in an ad campaign in Japan for Domino's Pizza, which used an augmented reality app to allow her to sing and dance on customers' pizza boxes. She's also a commercial software product developed by Krypton Future Media, which allows for users to use her voice as a musical instrument to sing whatever kind of song they can write using the software. She's also a collaborative media platform, which allows for her global fan base to collaborate and make content using her image and her voice and share it, with other interested parties all over the world. This is a screenshot of a fan-created program called Miku Miku Dance, which was created specifically to do animated music videos for this character. And she's also a fictional character. She has a particular personality, has a particular backstory, and she has a presence in a number of different media outlets, including comics, and this screenshot from the video game Project Diva by Sega. But ultimately, what I'm going to be focusing on right now is this character as a Vocaloid singer library, or one particular instantiation of Vocaloid technology. So, Vocaloid technology was created by Yamaha, and it's a kind of a synthesized musical instrument that uses temporal samples of human voice to create singing, kind of like text-to-speech, except a little bit more melodic and more able to be manipulated in a sing-songy sort of way. And the character of Hatsune Miku was not created by Yamaha itself. It was created by a secondary company which made the singer library and developed this character around the affect of the voice. So here's a very quick description of the Vocaloid technology, a little flow chart. So the samples from the human voice of Saki Fujita, who is a voice actor, are stored as waveforms, and the waveforms are manipulated based on user input, such as the target pitch that they want to hit with a note, and the different phonetics of the note, and different qualities of the voice that can be changed, such as, sort of the personality of it can be manipulated as well through the Vocaloid technology. And running the signal through all of this, you get song. As I mentioned before, there's a very large, very global fan base built up around this particular character. This is a quote from an article which came out a few months ago about Hatsune Miku as this sort of global phenomenon. And what's interesting is that she really has no official music. Every song is written by somebody else for a certain form, and nothing's really written by Krypton, the company that markets her. Instead, they sort of focus on using her as a kind of a media platform to sort of, I guess, promote herself in kind of a weird, viral sort of way, I guess. So this brings me to my project, which I've been working on. It's called Miku Forever. And it's a recombinatory pop song perpetually performed by Hatsune Miku. The lyrics for the song were generated from a corpus of about 22,000 words, and it's every English translation I could find of her previous songs, plus ones that were originally written in English. It was the code was written in Python using NLTK and the CMU pronouncing dictionary to basically have things sync up to a certain rhythm and rhyme properly, etc. And this is not actually in the program itself. Because Vocaloid technology doesn't render stuff on the fly. It needs to be saved to an audio file. So everything was rendered in the Vocaloid program and then exported as WAV files into Unity, which runs the actual program of Miku Forever. And all of the assets are fan-created assets that I'm using that are open licensed, which is a non-commercial license, but it gets the job done for this. And the actual instrumental music itself was composed by a colleague of mine named Christopher Palmer, who is a really wonderful composer for game and film projects. And the song mutates with each iteration. It generates about a 2.5-minute song, which has a very particular structure. It has, a chorus, a verse, instrumental breaks, things like that. And with each iteration, the song mutates a little bit. It changes up the lyrics, it changes up the synthesizer, it changes up the drums. And so over the course of hours or days, the song sort of gradually shifts towards something different. And ultimately, my goal is to have this streaming 24/7. That's with my computer overheating and not working properly. That's not looking good for right now. But eventually, I will get some hardware issues resolved, and hopefully, as long as I don't get kicked off Twitch for using up their bandwidth, it'll be on twitch.tv/Hatsune Miku Forever. And any updates can be seen on my website on the Miku Forever page on there. And I will just switch windows here and give you a little demo of what the program sounds like.
That's great.
Basically continues like that forever. Thank you.